It goes into content aware. Oh, foreground color, background color, contents. It goes into fill for whatever reason. Yeah, I'm selecting it and hitting delete, but it goes into fill for whatever reason. Is that correct? Foreground color, background color, history, pattern, content aware. I'm not seeing transparent. I can always go ham on the eraser tool. Yeah, I'm doing delete, not backspace. Delete goes into that. Backspace also does that, but delete is definitely going into that. Foreground color? Okay. Let's see. Not what I wanted, but it does look nice. Background color, which is just white. Pattern? Not pattern. Black, white, 50% gray. Huh. Most interesting. Well, this might be a thing that I look up and I come back to. Did you guys enjoy the art stream? Should I do more of these? I quite enjoyed it, and I think that I also want to hook up my Surface laptop so I can also draw with a pen. I've got a Surface pen that I can like draw on with. You did enjoy it? You like art streams? Cool. I mean, not that I can call this art, but I mean, I guess it's subjective. All art is subjective, isn't it? And I suppose you could call this art. If you're nice, you can call this art. No, this is absolutely art. I'm glad. Yeah, I don't know why it's not doing delete and going into transparent. It's I'm missing something, but I'll figure it out. I will learn how. And I also have a lot of friends who use Photoshop super well, like photographers, who can most definitely help me with this. And I can call Zach and Wolves at my door as well. So, anyway, guys, I gotta head off to rehearsals. Thank you so much for being a part of this today. Big thanks and shout out to Adobe for sponsoring this stream today. I really appreciate everybody's help. And like I said, I don't know. Sometimes I call it Pepe laugh, you know, happiness slash nostalgic slash just wanting to cry from happiness. But like honestly, y'all are so helpful and really nice and patient and kind, and I just really appreciate you. Thank you for being the way that you are, and the way that you communicate reverberates out into how other people communicate and how they treat other people and how you know, their vibes are as well. So it does go beyond just this sort of communication. It does kind of reverberate everywhere. So I really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. I will be streaming again this week, but I just have not nailed down the time yet. What's happening right now is I'm preparing for a movie. It's a full movie, and I get to play. What can I say about it? I play a bad guy. but I get to kick a lot of butts. Lots of action involved. So yeah, I have all that stuff. I think the next stream is going to be closer to the weekend, Friday, Saturday, that sort of thing. More Fridays than anything else. But anyway, it'll be closer to that. And no more foot stream, so thank goodness for that. 2G2, I've had the main page of Twitch up for a bit, just lurking about doing work, and you've been making your emo. Love this. Definitely want to be back for a stream. Hope you have a good one. Have a good one as well. Thank you so much too. And everyone else, I really appreciate you being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you next time. And oh shoot, should we raid somebody? Let's see. Who's streaming right now? I don't really know people who stream during the day too much.